happy new month. Hi guys, long time no vlog. How are you? Happy new month. Okay, I'm so excited. I need to be with you guys again. Like, miss. Oh my god, and we've grown. We're now 62. And wow, thank you so much. It's been quite the hiatus. Actually, it's a hiatus, like, yeah, life just happening. I couldn't come back on the vlog as much as I can, but let's not talk about what's not going right. Let's talk about what's going right. Is the fact that we are back. It's the 1st of April today, and March had its good moments and its low moments quite a bit. I was just, most of it, I was offline, just, living off grid, completely off. Yeah, and it was amazing. It was amazing, had some good moments, some low moments, but all in all, we thank God for that. I'm going to insert some of the clips for just a little bit highlights of March or snippets of March that I managed to record after Tuliachana, all right? Oh, it's a pink rice. How gorgeous, guys. Guys, did you know this trick? Yeah, kuwasha jiko na tissue na a bit of oil. Kwambia nimefundishwa mambo. Okay, the rice is gorgeous, guys. Ooh, 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 ooh. What's up? A few minutes to 9. I've just finished my morning routine for content. Yeah, so I'm feeling super excited. I love you. Hey, I'm so excited about. Okay, let me not speak first. Yeah, najifunza could trust myself with things and information. The house is clean, so I'm feeling good. Alafu, I did dishes last night, so sina vyombo mingi sana za kuosha, just the breakfast, like the 2 cups that we had breakfast in, and then so that means that your girl here has some time in the morning hours to edit, work, and okay, slowly but slowly we are getting into a routine that is easing it for us, and I'm just hoping that I can maintain the streak. So I hope that your Tuesday is gonna be kind to you. Tawi told me leo tukienda shule. Oh, this is so exciting. Let me see it up. Tawi alinisho leo tukienda shule ati mbona nawaonyesha Mathayo. Hey, why am I flexing the thighs? Aki, another thing. Anyway, Tawi told me today as he was going to school that he's gonna tell God. He asked me, Mom, if I tell God to bless you with something, God will listen to me. Because you see me, I'm always telling him to tell God whatever he wants, aambie to God. Sasa zenye yako peke yake kwa bed, kama analala, aambie God, and then God will bless him. So today he flips the thing on me, and it's like, Mom, so if I ask God to give you something, God will listen and give it to you. I'm like, yeah, you can even ask God to give people things, like just not you only. And guys, akisinile feel vizuri, I'm like, gosh, like look at his beautiful heart. He's asking God. He wants to ask God for something for me. So it's like, okay, baby, don't tell me what it is. You, when you're alone in your still moment, because that's a big thing, I like him to know that. In the still is where you find God again. So it's like, when you're alone, when you chill with your God, then now you can tell God, or if you're going to bed. Then he was like, when I get to school, and I'm alone, I'm going to tell God to surprise you with something in your bedroom. So you, today, you're going to get something that God has surprised you with in your bedroom, guys. Okay, it felt so good. So I'm in that streak of being surprised. Yay! Call us delusional, but yeah, as we know it as faith. As we know it as faith, and we stand heavy on faith and on God. Okay? So yeah, Tawi has prayed for a surprise from God for me. So guys, let's wait for the surprise with me, and don't get tired of waiting. Usiseme, na huko ndo wako naye anakawia for long now. Don't get tired of waiting. Okay, I don't know. I'm kind of just falling in love with this seat all over again. This is the one seat in my father's house that I never used to sit on. I don't know why. I think ilikwanga tu hapo. It's just a seat that I never just used to pay so much attention to. But now, right now, look at this gorgeous body. Ooh. Anyway, good morning. Time to get to work. So wacha niwawache and then get to work. Bye. Enjoy your day. 12:30. Nimetoka kwa farm kuchukua kunde and then guess what popped up? Ooh, guys. Akidi karibu ziharibike kwa sababu kuna mtu alikuwa anazichukua, but yeah. Check it. Hizi ni zangu zote. I even got an avocado, man. Imeanguka. Yes. Tunataka kukalia mboga mimi na mama Ethan. Tutengeneze, but then mushrooms, guys, mushrooms. I just love that I'm eating really fresh food. Kusema tu kweli, I'm eating fresh from the farm. Love it. Thank you, God. Hey, you're gonna think I'm crazy, but nilikuwa nakula, so now that's my food. And then this gorgeous little baby just dropped from the tree. Okay, it's like a bird that has just been born now. I don't know what to do with it. Sasa mimi nimeget utu to manyasi. I want to put to make something that inaweza kalia at least niweke huko. Tuweke huko chini. Because now, what do we do? Oh yeah, baby, just come. Chill. Yeah, guys, that's better. I don't know if now enough kunywa maji. What do? Okay, birds don't drink milk, right? Okay, I'm so confused and sad. I'm a chameleon. Oh yeah. Guys, are you seeing? It looks like too it's not okay. Huyu ametoka kuzaliwa sai. But can you try drink water though? Try drink water. Yeah, it's drinking. Drink water. Okay. Did I like do like a little duvet? Unafaa kumcover, sindio? Man, this dinner is just so yummy, guys. Tawi, how is your mboga? Mimi sipendangi kuweka sauce around chipo hivi. I like dipping my chips in sauce. Hivi. Mimi got a little evening drink to ease the anxiety and just stuff going on. Zangu zimeshika. Hata nimekuja kwa kamera kazi zangu zimeshika. But it is what it is. We said up and down there are no gray areas. You get like we are healing. We are vulnerable. We are acknowledging. We are taking accountability and responsibility. So yeah. Sitajifanya ati on the days that nimefeel anxiety imenishinda, my faith is low, my well is running low, nikakimbilia drink. Sitajifanya ati now I won't vlog those parts. Leo zimeshika. Tawi is asleep. Nimaliza school routine vizuri. Night routine pia vizuri. Amekula poa. He's going to bed. I'm just feeling grateful for that. You know? Mimi ni wale watu wenye nikichoose lazima niongeze volume ya kitu na watch. Zimeshika. Let me enjoy my movie and then mind my takeout. And then I sleep. Good morning. It's Thursday. A few minutes to 8 a.m. just finished the school drop, so I want to get to wash clothes. Akini kona manguo mingi. I have so many clothes, like I don't even know wagwan. Hey, sijui nianze wapi by the way, but yeah, around 3 kuomba, and then at least like it was just so nice. I got to say, like yeah, my meeting with God today at 3 was just beautiful. Acha nitoe hizi manguo and then nianze kufua. Apparently Waislamu wamesema tukule pilau.
Ati kesho ni Christmas yao.
Kesho ni Christmas guys. Oh my god. Ati ni watu mnaona kule tunatembea. Kumenyesha isega. But yeah, we're going for our evening walk. Our nature walk. Now,
yawa. Ini nyaga tiba chawani yawa. Iko kalota kigini.
Anda luaro bara kwajo. Kifunguma sa luari chuozo yawa po.
Iko luata matek mana winjo mnako imemako ndulme.
Sorry.
Whatever.
Ndulme. This girl almost said imemako ndulme. You know what ndulme is? Epilepsy. So tunaenda kwanza vala change. Akue warm. Alafu ndio tuanze kupiga lap kwa gweng.
Lazima nikuwe warm.
We're going for a nature walk.
Tunaenda kukumbushana vitu vingine hapo.
Really? Dema tuonyesha country life. Hey, yani wacha ngoma chupa koro luarga.
I think napotanga huko road.
Si ningeshanga. Garden update. So we're planting today. Yeah. I just want to start with this first place and then ndio tuendelee na hizi zingine. So all of this needs to be cleared. Like we need to clear all this land over here. Gardening class from the local farm care place. Oh yeah, so let me gift you all the fertilizers for free, guys. The seeds are just so gorgeous.
They're like fireballs.
Truly, they're like fireballs, baby. Okay, they're so cute. Kai, tell me, what did I tell you this one is called?
Fertilizer.
Fertilizer. Good boy. Are you ready? Come take these ones. The boy is planting his. Good job. Good job. We're trying to clean the compound. Progress. Even the cuckoos are feeling good. Progress. Ooh. Guys, it's coming to life. It's coming back to life. I miss this mango shade. Kids are having a bowl. It looks clean. I'm excited for April. I'm so excited for April. Good things are coming. We are so deeply knowing that we are deserving of good things that are coming our way. I'm excited for certain projects that I want to put my creativity on. That is making me super excited about that. Also, another thing exciting me is the school holidays, boo-boo. It's the school holidays. A girl is not waking up in the morning to take someone to school. Anyway, unashanga kwa nini I'm just here basking in my self-glory. But yeah, my mom has a luncheon today, so I came to help with the cooking. She's a little bit so busy na ako do solo home with like one person, so I decided, yeah, there's a luncheon. Let's make the Happy New Month lunch. Make some liver, some beef stew, and then some pilau. Yes, that's what. Lunch is served. It's slowly becoming one of my favorite places to just be at and be grounded, feel good. Yeah. The mango trees at home.